Hello everyone, welcome to the Deals of the Day 365. In this video, we are going to talk about best discount wheel pop-up plugins for WordPress users. Using the pop-up plugins, you can create pop-ups for your website. With the wheel pop-ups, you can grab visitors' attention by showing your best offers. So, if you also want to create pop-ups for your website, then keep watching our video till the end. So, first one is Opt-in Monster. Opt-in Monster can help you to increase your sales and subscribers. It has more than 1 million active installations, which explains how popular it is. Second is WP Opt-in Wheel. It is a great plugin for showing discount wheel on your site. It is a fully customized plugin, which means you can easily customize the look of your pop-up wheels. Next is Lucky Wheel for WooCommerce. If your aim is to convert your visitors into customers, then use this plugin. You can ask your visitors to play wheel games and build your email list. Next is Wheel by Crazy Rocket. It offers beautiful templates to create an attractive pop-up wheel which will grab your visitors' attention. Apart from this, you can also place scratch cards and slot machine games that will help you to increase your sales. Now, here I will end this video. But if you want detailed information about these plugins we have mentioned in this video, then click on the link we have placed in the description box. And if you like this video, then like it and share it. And please subscribe our channel for more videos like this.